me, Scratch Team, and welcome to Scratch 3 show. And today, I'm going to create a simple project that's only 3 minutes project. This project name is the Notepad. Now, everyone will be shocked at what is Notepad. Well, a Notepad is a type of a book that will add notes to remain throughout the day. So, let's start. Let's delete the sprite sketchpad and go to variables and create a list. I'll name this Notepad. I'm gonna name this Notepad. Alright, let's stretch. Aha, there you go. So now let's go to paint, and now let's go to a square and choose black, because the button needs to be black color, because this is just a example for you to create this. So now I'm gonna take a white color here, go to text, and I'm going to text it add notes. Add notes. There you go. Wonderful project. So let's bring this in the middle, and there you go. Now what you need to do, the button is not showing. Just first small that up, bring it down to here. Then we will launch the project back. Now in the add notes, let's use a when the sprite click. Guys, I'm going to largen up so you can see my coding. So in events, check a when the sprite is clicked. And now let's take a ask in the sensing and delete the backspace. And now let's see, and we go to variables and it will add answer to Notepad. So let me show you. Now I have a thing here, and now I'm going to write something like what kind of recipe would be. And there you go. We have the same text wherever here. Now let's duplicate this. See, we have the same thing here. Down and large it up. Alright, so there you go. We have add notes. Let's take this thing out and remain the when the sprite click. And now we will delete length of Notepad. So for example, I write here, I'm gonna write garbage and a company here. Oh, I don't want a company, so we can just delete this and it deletes the length of notes. Let's go to costume and then just delete the add notes and write delete. So now there you go. We created a simple notepad in just 3 minutes. If you like my video, subscribe, comment, and whatever, so my new videos will come to you.
एंड किया ना तूने एंड किया अरे यार तुमने तो बोला एंड कहाँ पे हुआ रे